Show a messy Word document on a phone screen versus a clean PDF. Do you have a Word document that looks perfect on your computer but completely messy when you send it to someone else? Stop worrying about broken formatting. Today, I'll show you how to convert any Word file into a high-quality PDF in just seconds, for free. Step 1. Go to MyPDFTools.pro and select the Word to PDF tool. Click on the blue icon. Step 2. Drag and drop your doc or DOCX file right here, or just click to upload. Step 3. Hit the Convert button. Look how fast that is. Our secure cloud servers handle everything instantly. Done! Enjoy the confetti, you deserve it! Now, here is the magic part. Do you need this file on your phone right now? Don't email it to yourself. Just scan this QR code with your mobile camera and boom, the PDF downloads directly to your phone. Simple, right? MyPDF Tools is 100% free, secure, and deletes your files automatically after 1 hour. Try it now. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity hacks.